Let's go into the next part, which is logical operators. Now, logical operators are basically when you have more than one condition, when you have more than one condition uh, you want a result set based on more than one condition. For instance, where first name is Ali and or salary is greater than this. So we're really looking for more than one condition to be true. Now, there's two ways to actually look into it. There's something called the AND operator, which is when both uh, the conditions need to be met, and there's something called the OR operator, where just one of these both need to be met. Uh, so you can have multiple conditions inside a where clause. You can say where some value equals to this and some value equals to this. So you can filter for more than one thing. Let me show you this. So let's say if you want where salary is greater than, let's say, 10,000, and job underscore ID, or let's say salary is greater than 5,000 and job underscore ID equals to IT underscore prog. Now what this would do is it's going to actually get both, it's going to only get me the data where both these conditions are being met. So let's run this and see what it gets us. So it's getting us two IT programmers who actually make more than 5,000. In this case, it's making sure these both conditions are met for it. If I use an OR operator over here, what's going to happen is it's going to say, well, where salary is greater than 5,000, so it's going to actually go into one operator, or the job IT equals ID underscore programmer. So it's really saying IT underscore prog, IT underscore prog, IT underscore prog, and over here it's saying where salary is greater than 5,000. So it's really saying one of these two conditions need to be met, and the result set will show the data. In case of an AND, both these conditions need to be true if the data needs to be shown. And let's go talk about not, between, and in. Now these are really important ones as well. So we have these, and you can use not over here when you don't want some condition to be true. So you can say where not condition, where not salary is greater than 5,000, and not. So if you want the opposite of it, you can use the not one over here. And that's the reverse condition or the reverse operator. Let's do this question over here first. How to display first name, salary, and job ID of employees who earn more than or equal to 4,000 or are working as an IT programmer. So the answer for this one is select first name, salary, job ID. These are the columns which we need to select, as you can see. And then we want them who have more than or equal to 4,000. So there's a way to write this, or we're working as an IT programmer. So all I need to add over here is greater than or equal to, and just 4,000. And the second part of this is an OR. So it's not an AND, it's an OR. So I just need to change my operator over here, and OR IT underscore programmer, irrational operator. So sorry, greater than or equal to 4,000. That's how you write it. So greater than and then equal to sign. That's how you would write greater than equal to, and that's what this would give you is whether it has more than 4,000 or so. Okay, great job, guys. And let's go to the next part of this as we further move on. How can we select first name, salary, and job ID of employees who earn more than 3,000 and they work as stock clerks? Also, you need to sort the data by name. So let's see if you guys are able to do this. Hey guys, for stock clerks, it's st underscore clerks. I think so. That's the terminology, st underscore clerks. You can double check it in the data as well if I'm right, but I think it's st underscore clerks. That's the the job ID for stock clerks. Let's okay, sure. I can give you my uh, answer for this. It's and job ID is underscore st underscore clerks. So this is basically query. Let me just run this. So I'm looking for where salary is greater than or equal to 3,000, earns more than, and job work as stock clerk. So I think for job ID it's st underscore clerk. Uh, and it's basically an and. So let's just run this and see what answer we get. Sorry, it's st underscore clerk. Uh, yeah, sorry, I made a mistake. It wasn't clerks, it was clerks. Sorry, my bad. And then you can do an order by, and in the order by statement, it's saying the results needs to be sorted by the first name by name. So you can always say order by first underscore name, because that's the column over here. And I'm just gonna run it, and you can see it's getting all the data. Sorry, it was my mistake. It wasn't st underscore clerks. It was st underscore clerk. And Bakula, can you send me your query so I can actually look into it? What is the problem with it? But if you type in the same query, it should work. Most likely going to work. I'm going to just put it into the chat box as well, so you can run this. Okay, let's go to the next one, and let's try to run this one. How can we find all employees who do not work in Department 50 and are not stock clerks? So, so this is the department ID. So we do not work in department ID 50 and are not st underscore clerk. So, and you want all the information for those. So let's see if you're able to get that answer for this. So select star from a chart on employees where department underscore ID is not equal to, and is not equal to, and job ID is not equal to, and it's st underscore clerk, not st underscore clerks, by the way. So if you write this, it should be correct.